This RE/MAX Ultimate Coastal Properties property video is presented by Katie Hensley. Palm Harbor home upriver sitting on a 10,000 square foot park lot. Just 2 years old with one owner. Enjoy modern living. This home offers vaulted ceilings, open floor plan, split living with a large master suite. Master bath has walk-in shower and a soak tub. Kitchen with high counters, stainless steel appliances and plenty of cabinet space. Space rent is $440 a month including water, sewer and garbage. This one is super cute, you won't want to miss it. For more information, review the details below or contact Katie Hensley at 541-425-7494.